Hello everyone, so today I'm giving you my honest opinion on this sticker book. So this one was sent to me and it's for Christmas, getting in the holiday spirit. So we're just going to do a quick flip through so that you guys can see. And these are on clear sticker paper. So when they go down, they will be clear. Here we go. These are beautiful, beautiful stickers. Absolutely love these. These are great if you're doing some creative journaling or if you like to do stickers in your planner to make it a little more fun. These are awesome. I'm loving the realness of them, how they use real people. It's not so cartoonish looking. I love these actually. And these are on, now we're on white paper. So now when you peel them off, it'll have like a little bit of a white outline to it. Let's see. These are absolutely beautiful. Okay. And here's some washi at the end. Oh, cute. Really, really cute. Awesome. And this is what the back looks like. And this, again, is the front.